Hi guys, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to increase WordPress memory. So what you do, you go to your FTP, then I'm using WordPress, but I fixed the problem. But when I was trying to visit, maybe I go to dashboard, it could show me page can't be reached, you know, that error. So I fixed that. After fixing that, I'm trying to show you guys how I did it. You go to your FTP root folder in WordPress, you click on this, you edit that page. When you click on edit, the page is called wp/config.php. so to increase the memory, when you click there, I clicked there already, you're gonna have your page here. Go right straight away from the bottom, or at the bottom you're gonna see a line. You're gonna see a line say that's all, stop editing, happy blogging. So what you do before that, you put this line. This line says define comma quote, then you write this memory 256. You can put it on 256. After, then you save here. When you save, that error is gonna disappear. Make sure you at least try to comment, like you put your name and where it ends, so that in case something goes wrong, you can go and delete your codes, the one you put. That's all, and I hope this helps, because I had this issue whenever I tried to install another plugin. It could tell me some problem. It says page can't be reached, and it could not sometimes do what, install those plugins. Yes, sometimes it can be caused by some bad plugins. So I did try to uninstall all plugins I put, but the problem could still come back, like whereby you visit something on the same website, it tells you page can't be reached, whatever stuff, then it shows you that error of 500. So now, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick, so but I managed to fix that. But anyway, I'm focusing on showing you how to increase the memory. So once you increase the memory, much of that stuff you won't see it anymore. So let's go back. You go to your root folder, or you can use FileZilla, whatever you use. But if you in your root folder here, you look for this page called wp config file, then you right click it, then you view, you edit it. Once you click on that edit, it will pop up. Then you go to this page, you scroll down. Right at the bottom, you find this white code. That's this line which says that's all, stop editing, happy blogging. Before that line, that's where you're gonna write this code. Yeah, so that's all guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. And if you have any problems, please comment, and if we made any mistakes, please correct us. That's all guys. Thanks for watching.